I'm Katie Mitchell. I'm a macrame artist. I make plant hangers, wall hangings. I've even made a giant dream catcher. I make anything really. I think I was first inspired by my mum. She set up her own home furnishings business when I was a teenager. I was already sort of into madly making anyway, but I think that really inspired me towards textiles. I went on to study textiles at university, and then when I had children, I went back to my textile passion, discovered macrame, and it just went on from there. You know, with workshops taking off, just kind of a natural thing really, and I knew that I'd love doing it because I love chatting with people. I think I really enjoy the process. You can make something really quickly, and also you can really lose yourself. It's quite a mindful craft. It's really relaxing, so yeah, I think everyone should just have a go.